Hey everybody, it's Jenna with Uncomplicated Kitchen, and today I'm gonna give you yet another chickpea recipe, but this time we're gonna use our air fryer, and it's gonna be kinda like dessert. First thing you need to do is have 1 can of chickpeas, rinsed and drained and dried really, really well. All right, we're gonna add a couple of teaspoons of neutral oil. I've just got some canola oil here, but you can use what you like. A half teaspoon of cinnamon and a full teaspoon of sugar. And because you can't have something sweet without just a little salt to round out the flavors, we're gonna add a nice big pinch of kosher salt. Now we're gonna toss all that together. See, these are all mixed up, and now what I'm gonna do is taste to be sure that I don't wanna adjust any of the seasoning, because once these come out of the air fryer, they're gonna be so firm and really hard to add that seasoning in at that point. So let's see what we've got. I think maybe a little bit more salt and a little bit more cinnamon, and then we can get them in the air fryer. Actually, a little bit more salt. I'm gonna use the air fryer basket, and these are great because the air is gonna circulate all the way through. Spread these out, single layer. All right into the air fryer. Set it at 300 degrees on air fry. Perfect. All right, 10 minutes at 300 degrees in the air fryer, and I think that these look pretty good. So let's give them a taste and see if we want them to go a little bit longer. They're wonderful. 10 minutes in the air fryer, they're nice and crispy. I taste cinnamon, a little bit of sugar, and that pinch of salt really rounds out all the flavors. And I have to say, this is a really, really good alternative to another sweet treat that you might typically enjoy. So go ahead, garbanzo beans as dessert. Who knew?